Today I'm going to show you how to make one of these mystery braid bracelets. Really super easy and not such a big mystery once you know how to do it. So while I have you, I would invite you to please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and click the bell to get the notifications when we come up with other really cool projects. So all we need for this craft is a strip of leather, and this one has the fasteners on it already, and the leather is sliced into 3 long strips, and you can do this with something that's this length, which I got from Michael's, and it was ready to roll, and this is meant to be a cuff or a bracelet, but people do, you know, they make belts and they make reins for saddles, etc., 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 which is really cool. It's quite a beautiful craft. But once again, we just got this at Michael's, so then it's ready to go and super easy to do. Holding on to our leather, we have the rounded part facing up or away from us, and this is the flat part of the snap. And quite obviously, we have 3 strips of leather. So holding 2 of the strips excuse me, on my left hand, I take this other end and I flip it directly away from me between strands 2 and 3. And it kind of makes a little bit of a mess down here, and that's fine, that will correct itself. So now we just simply start to braid. So we take the left over the center, we take the right over the center, and then we take the left over the center again. So now we have 2 strips of leather on the right hand side, and then we take that end once again and we pop it between 1 and 2. And you can see that twist kind of corrected itself down here, right? So then we continue. So we go right over left, left over right, and then right over left again. Taking our end, we pop it through the center there, and then we pull it out again. And then we do another round. So we've got left over right, right over left, and left over right, which leaves us 2 strands on the right hand side, 1 strand on the left hand side. And we just take that end and we just pop it through there. Now if this were longer, we could continue to do this, but because of the length, really 3 rounds is about perfect. So now we just play with it, level out those braids, even out those braids, and voila, there you have it. There is a mystery braid bracelet, and it's really not such a mystery once you actually know how to do it. Very cool, hey? So for now, this is Laura, and I thank you for popping by and checking out what I have going on. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button and also the bell so you get the notification when we come up with these super cool projects. In the meantime, have a fantastic day, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks so much, guys.